when painting a multicolored still life composition. The key lies in color coordination, layering, and material representation. Proper use of color contrast enhances the visual appeal. While attention to light and shadow helps create depth and realism. Below are essential techniques to consider: color, harmony, and overall balance. A multicolored still life often consists of vibrant hues, so it is important to maintain color harmony, using complementary colors. Warm-cool contrast. And light-dark variations can create an engaging yet balanced composition. For example, a red apple can contrast with a green cloth, while warm-toned fruits can stand out against cool-toned ceramic objects. Enriching the visual impact. Color layering and gradation. To avoid chaotic color arrangements, different values and saturation levels within the same color family should be used to create depth. For instance, an orange object can have subtle transitions of yellow or red. Making the color dynamic yet cohesive. In shadow areas, instead of using black, adding blue or purple can help maintain color, vibrancy, and depth. Light, shadow, and spatial depth. Defining the direction of the light source is crucial in establishing the realism of the objects. Highlights can be achieved using thinner layers of paint or leaving areas of white. Reflected light should incorporate surrounding colors for a more natural appearance. Shadows should be layered gradually with soft and hard edges to create depth and ensure a smooth transition between objects and background. Texture representation techniques. Smooth objects, glass, ceramics. Use soft, blended brushstrokes to depict reflections and maintain a polished appearance. Rough surfaces, wood, fabric. Utilize dry brushing or stippling techniques to create texture. fruits, and organic objects. Wet-wet blending can be used for smooth transitions, while smaller brushstrokes can depict fine surface details.